Meaning of elegance.
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 Elegance. Elegance refers to a quality of grace and refinement that is characterized by simplicity, beauty, and sophistication. An elegant object or concept is often thought to possess a harmonious balance between form and function, with a certain degree of understated subtlety and restraint. This aesthetic ideal is often associated with high-end fashion, interior design, art, and architecture, as well as with social graces, manners, and behaviors. Overall, elegance conveys a sense of timeless, effortless, and understated beauty that is highly prized in many contexts.